Cooking with me, Hema Subramanian. Today I'm going to share a dish that's not only perfect for the summers but you can enjoy it anytime. We're going to make this creamy and flavorful Dahi Tikhari. This is nothing but curd spiced up with garlic and other spices to make it very flavorful. So let's get started and check it out. First step is to pound the garlic and red chilli powder. I've taken about 15 medium-sized garlic cloves. To this, I'm adding 3 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chilli powder. Using a pestle and mortar, just going to pound it till I get a nice coarse paste. So if you don't have a pestle and mortar, you can just use a mixer jar and you can just grind it to a nice coarse mixture. But the flavors are better when you use a pestle and mortar to make this paste. So the garlic chili paste is done. So you can see, just show you. It's a very nice coarse paste. It's not too smooth or too fine. Once you've prepared the chili garlic paste, keep this aside. Next, I'm going to whisk the curd. For this recipe, I've taken about 400 grams of fresh curd. Before tempering the curd, it's always best to whisk it nicely. Keep the whisked curd aside. Let's start tempering the ingredients. To a pan, I'm just adding about 3 teaspoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. So first let's roast these. Once the mustard seed starts splattering, add about 1/4 teaspoon of hing, a few curry leaves. Just mix those first. Maintain the flame on a low at this point. Next, I'm adding 1 large onion that's finely chopped, 2 green chilies cut up. Just saute the onions for about a minute. Let's start adding the spice powders. Starting with 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon salt. Next, add the garlic chili paste. So just mix everything. See how soft and nice that is. So just maintain the flame on low throughout. I'm just going to cook this masala paste by adding just a little bit of water. Add about 2 tablespoons. So you can see after adding the water, the paste is loosened up nicely. It's got a nice consistency to it. Once all that excess moisture is evaporated, turn off the stove. Now add the whisked curd. Just look at that dahi. Make sure you turn off the stove before you add the curd. Finally, finish off by adding a handful of freshly chopped coriander leaves. Just mix that in. It's going to add a lot of flavor to the dahi. Wow, just look at that. It looks absolutely gorgeous. It's a very quick and easy to make dish. You can just prepare this in just about 10 minutes. I've made a video on how to make fresh thick curd at home. I'll give you the link in the description. Do check it out. Well, it's time to taste the spicy and creamy dal tikhari. Today I'm serving it with some nice hot fulkas. You can enjoy it with chapatis, any rotis or even with rice. Time to taste. Wow, it is one word, wow. The flavors of garlic and all those nice spices and of course curd. I love curd. I enjoy it in any flavor. So this is just something that I'm really enjoying right now with these nice hot fulkas. Perfect comfort food, I would say. So this is a nice way to enjoy your curd with a lot of flavor in it instead of having it just plain. So do give it a try. Let me know how it turned out for you guys and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.